Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, what's top of mind is bridging the talent gap from entry level to experienced employee. Why am I bringing this up? Well, with the advent of AI and the retirement of the baby boomers, things are transforming. So, for example, some recent statistics show that entry level jobs are down by 30% in the last 2 years, with those exposed to AI being 35 to 40%. In addition, on the other end of the spectrum, only 22% of entry level employees are very ready or completely ready to perform their jobs. Quite horrifying. So, what do? We need to be thinking differently and innovatively. We need to partner public private partnerships with technical outlets, community colleges. We need to be partnering with competitors, supply chain partners, or we need to be doing it on our own. And we need to move forward with hands-on training, technical training, upskilling in terms of AI and advanced technologies, apprenticeships, looking at mentoring. And in essence, those executives that bridge this talent gap will be wildly successful and the rest will not.